This is quiz number 2 on quarter note, half note, and whole note rhythms. And your piece of paper should have 5 more numbers on it. You can number from 1 through 5 like I have, or 6 through 10, doesn't matter. And now you've got 2 measures. Notice that I've got a bar line down the center. First measure, second measure. It's a good idea when you're listening to the example to make a recording of it in your head and then play it back and write it out, rather than trying to write the notes as fast as I play them. Try to grasp the whole thing and then write it out after you have an idea of everything that goes into this. Now, these rhythms are not complicated, and even to make it even simpler, I'm going to count them off. Things will get more difficult soon enough, so don't worry about that. For now, I'd like you to see the value of counting, and also to count yourself when you're doing improvisations. Okay, here's number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Example number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you start listening to 2-measure examples, I think you begin to realize the importance of accenting the first beat. If I was to play the last example without accenting the first beat, you might not clearly hear the beginning of the second measure. Here it is again with no accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no break between the 2 measures. So that first beat is all important in your improvisations and in organizing your musical thoughts. Okay, example 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Here's example 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Example 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Here's example 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. And now example 5, the last example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Example 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Okay, replay this part of the tape again if you need another round to nail down the answers. And then join me in part 2 when I will give you the answers to part 2 of the quiz. See you then. Okay, here are the answers, and it's not obligatory to write a time signature here, but I wrote it in to remind you that there are 4 beats per measure, and the beat falls on the quarter note. Every time you tap your foot, that is a quarter note's worth of time. Okay, now this is a half note. This is number 1, half note, 2 quarter notes, and 2 half notes in the second measure. I'll play through number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Number 2, 2 quarter notes, 1 half note, second measure, 4 quarter notes. I'll play through number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, 2 quarter notes, 1 half note in the first measure. Bar line, quarter note, half note, quarter note. Playing through number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Playing through number 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Number 4. 2 half notes in the first measure. A quarter note, a half note, and a quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, next, number 5. A quarter note, a half note, a quarter note, 2 quarter notes, and a half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing through number 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was the end of quiz number 2. Next we're going to take up eighth notes and also rests. Rests are where you keep time and don't make any sound. See you all in the next video.